Okay guys, I want to do a quick review here of how I received this hard hat. It's by Lift Safety. It is their DAX 50 carbon fiber full brim hard hat in orange. Now I bought this off Amazon, and this is how it was shipped to me, with two pieces of this, whatever you want to call that, plastic air in there. So that's how it was shipped. And then of course it was folded back, and they had the tape on this. And so what I'm probably going to do, because this is going back to the supplier that I bought it from Amazon, what I'm going to do is, when I put these flaps down, okay, when I do this, I'm going to put glue, because I don't really have too much in the way of shipping tape right now. So what I'm going to do is put this down like this, put glue on it, and then put some weights on it, and then put some tape, and the weight will help keep when the glue dries, when the for shipping. Here you see, this is the back side of the hat. Here you see some kind of a scuff. Right here. And you can see it on the edge there too. $156 hat, brand new. So you can see right there and there. Back of the hat. Right here is something. You can see that nick in the carbon fiber. Right there. Here's the back of the hat. Here's the clip in question that doesn't work. It came just like this to me. There's the metal clip that's supposed to fit inside right here, which is attached to the hat. There's the outside. There. And you see how that's bent, damaged during production. And if we take a look at all the other clips, and we'll have to look at them this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so you can see the difference between this one here and that. Again, this being the back of the hat, the damaged, undamaged. Now I do realize that there's nothing perfect in life, but the quality control, because I'm not sure if a machine puts these in, you know, if this is going on an assembly line, if a human being actually snaps all these in, or if a machine snaps it in. Because when I received this, it was out of here like this, and I thought, well, no big deal, okay, because I'll just snap it in. Well, then when I saw what this looked like, then I knew right away that wasn't going to happen. But it almost looks, I don't know if the camera's going to show it here, it's actually torn the aluminum, like that rivet there with my hand behind it. I think you can see how that's actually pulled away. You can see where there's that dark space between the wall of the carbon fiber helmet and that little stud sticking out, and then this like washer. So you can, if you force this, stick this in there, you know, but why would I? That's just an area that's going to let go. So to me, you know, how that got through quality control, and I understand they don't 100% these things. Again, I think it all comes down to how this insert here, this head insert, is put in, whether it's put in by a machine or a human being does it. Because, you know, stuff like this, those nicks that I showed here in the other spot, okay, that may not be detectable. If this is put in by a human being, there was no way for this to get shipped, because again, it was just like this. So somebody knew, if it was a person, again, I can't say, they knew that it wasn't going in, and they just left it like that. And you know, at $156, I think these are a beautiful hard hat, and at that price, it's got to be perfect. It's just not acceptable to have something, you know, I may have worked with them and I may have talked to them about that scuff, but you know, when it comes to something like this, that's just, you can't have that. That's just not going to work. So, but I just thought I'd show that, because with the issue that I had with this, it's interesting that you'd have that many issues on one hard hat. So, and I'm going to send this to the a link of this to the manufacturer so they can see that and maybe see what was going on.